With an angled brush, I'm using a 3/4 inch rosemary and co brush. Paint the butterfly wings with Fusion 1-stroke unicorn sparks. I'm painting the top wings first, then the bottom wings, and I will replicate the design on the other side of my face. Subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of my new videos. Paint a second layer of 1 stroke over the first, a little more into the wing like this. Helpful tip: wait for the bottom layer to dry to get the best result, and to avoid a muddy look. I painted 2 long teardrops for the butterfly antennas. Then I painted some swirls. I'm now painting some dots down the nose with a larger one at the top. I painted some double-dipped flowers on the cheeks. And some white dots for the center of the flowers. Now I'll highlight the antennas and nose dots. I paint some teardrops for the head of the butterfly. And a few leaves around the flowers. I now outline the whole design with a round pointed brush and white paint. I also added pink lipstick and silver glitter. A beautiful butterfly.